What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview, guys. Today, today we said what? Right. Well, yesterday we said, look, any dips, right? Any dips into this 4380 today, we'd want to hold. Why? We look way back and left from August last year. We could see, actually, I think it's a little before August last year. We could see, obviously, this was the back test level. So tomorrow for PAL, right? Well, let's talk about really quickly what else is going to be out. PPI comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 1 hour before market open. Then Big Daddy P comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rate hike decision. Then he will speak 30 minutes after the data gets released at 2 o'clock. So at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, he will come on for a Q&A that will last about 45 minutes. Okay, that'll last about 45 minutes. So you will need, you will need to make sure you are cognizant that he is speaking. But, wow, why can't I? There it is. As we can see, all this consolidation in here, finally getting some green triggered dots, which is a breakout, right? So, where does this breakout end? We don't know. So, all you want to do for today is like, look, mark this on here. This is yesterday high a day. Okay, on the right. We already have the low of the day at 43.80, right? So we're good. Those are the levels you're going to want to watch for tomorrow. Okay, because it is more than likely what is going to happen in that first, right? What is going to happen, okay, in that first, in the trading day is something where from the open all the way to when Powell comes on, there will be a resistance met and a support met at some point. It's more than likely we do not get a breakout or a breakdown of a major level. A major level would be a break of the high of the day and continue of the trend up. Okay, so we're going to watch this level here. Okay, I think 4,400, even 43.80 below. Okay, 4,400, 43.80. Those are two levels to the downside. Okay, you can probably mark one that didn't work out. Wow, let's just put this at 4,400. Okay, like so. Okay, mark that level in there just in case, psych level. So let's see. Okay, let's see. But I think yesterday, or low of the day today. Okay, low of the day today, high of the day today, right? Let's get those marked, and you're gonna want to watch. Okay. I would not be playing a break and hold of anything, especially after yesterday low of the day or yesterday high of the day. More than likely gonna play the range in between. And I like in an uptrend to buy a support. I'm gonna say it again. I like in an uptrend to buy a support. Do not forget to zoom out and realize if you want to short this, by all means, if you wanted to short here and you wanted to short here and you wanted to short here, you're getting your ass handed to you. That's it. Plain and simple. You are getting wrecked and you've blown up your account. I guarantee it. Do not trade something because you want the market to do something. That is not the way to trade. It's not the way to trade. Just because you want the market to do something doesn't mean it will. Okay, just because you want the market to do something doesn't mean it will. So look to play within this range for tomorrow, 43.80 to 44.20, 4,400 cycle level in the middle. More than likely look to buy a support tomorrow. SPY chart going to look pretty similar without this outlier fucking candle in here because the contract roll on ES is so goddamn annoying. But nonetheless, where did we go to today? What did we talk about yesterday? 437, right? 437 was that big level. Went up there. Okay. 437. 437. Went all the way up there, touched it. Nice reject there. So what are we going to watch here? We're going to watch the low of the day today. Okay, it's 434.50, call it. But really this 434 even would be this pretty much this gap fill. So I think possibly we could see a gap fill tomorrow. Okay, and just a bounce or hold off that level, right? So want to watch that area. Okay, 434 all the way to 434.60. That's what you're going to want to watch. You're going to want to watch for the reject here at 437 in the morning. Now, if we gap up, okay, if we gap up tomorrow, okay, and we do not, we do not fill the gap within the first 15 or 30 minutes, it's more than likely we'll just head up higher. So you just have to trade your levels. Okay, you just have to trade your level, but it's more than likely tomorrow we will start higher and then come back lower to a support and then drift higher up into PAL. Something like opening up in this range 436, double topping up here, coming down and closing this gap. Okay, getting everybody to get off sides, thinking we're going to go lower. Everybody gets short, then they'll drift it up, and somewhere in here will be the notes that come out in his and then his Q&A after. That's what my guess is. So 433.80, call it all the way up to 434.50. Watch for that area to have a bounce tomorrow. That's what I'll be watching. Watch for the reject up here at 437. Now, after PAL, this is different. After PAL, if the market rallies on whatever he says, it does not matter what he says. Break and hold over 437 opens up 440. Okay, lots of room to run above if PAL and the market reaction is extremely soft and dovish. Okay, we really need out of this 434 to take us back down to 432. 429.50 would be the back test top of the balance if we were to get down there. QQQ, what's going on with Qs? Okay, what's going on with Qs? Qs continuing on up higher. We have this major resistance area here at 468. I do believe that that is a short opportunity on the first touch. That is a short opportunity on the first touch. Look where we went down to touch today, 360. We talked about 360 or 357.50 to get a bounce back test. That's where you could have got it today. Could have got it right there. Bingo. Right? Bingo. So same thing tomorrow if you're playing QQQ. You're going to want to watch maybe a pop it open. Maybe we gap up here to 367. You want to fade it, play the gap fill down. I don't know. You'll have to see. But likely you're going to just want to buy a support. I like 360. I like 357.50 to hold tomorrow. So watch those two levels. Play the initial reject off 368 in the morning. If it breaks and holds on PAL because he's overly dovish, and that's how the reaction of the market is buyers step in, then get up, play the break and hold of 368 to the upside. Okay. IWM had a goddamn day today. Looked like we had some very nice rotation into IWM. As we can see, we went up right to where? 189. It's like I have a goddamn magic ball when really you just need to look out. You need to zoom out, look left. Anyone can find levels. Look out, zoom left. What happened here? That's all you have to ask yourself. Oh, major rejection, major sell-off from this level. Okay, more than likely there's an imbalance that needs to be filled there. There's leftover buyers or sellers, and we are going to see if they are still around there. So 189 tap. Now we just want to hold. We want to hold 187 50 area where basically we could see right with this area over here that we had gotten to a high to. Okay, we went back and back tested it all the way over here and held. So 187.50. Okay, 185 below there. If 185 goes. Okay, really it's like 184.50, but if 185 really goes like a body close on like a 1 or 4 hour underneath 185, we will likely come back down to this like 182.50 area. Okay, we don't want anything lower than 179. That is a failed breakout, and small cap world is going to go to hell at that point. Okay, so above 189 though, break and hold above 189. Look at 192, 195 above there. That's all I got, guys. PAL. Your PPI in the morning, 1 hour before market open, then PAL at 2 p.m. Eastern, PAL at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, guys, if I could tell you any bit of advice tomorrow, if scalping is not your forte, where you're in and out, you don't really care what the stock does after, great. Have fun tomorrow. It's gonna be a great day. Lifted volatility and IV will be higher. Premiums will be more expensive, but if you're not, guys, get your trade in the morning, be done, get your tea time, and go enjoy your day and come back on Thursday. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Hope you are all having a great day, but as usual, and as always, you need to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.